As the demand for clean energy surges, innovators are stepping up with groundbreaking ideas. But protecting and financing those inventions is crucial to making a real impact. Let's dive into the step-by-step process of patent financing for renewable energy. First, conduct a patentability search. This is your foundation. You need to ensure your invention is unique. Tools like PowerPatent's AI-powered prior art search can streamline this process. It's fast, accurate, and cost-effective, giving you the confidence that your idea stands apart from the rest. Once you've established your invention's uniqueness, it's time to draft a strong patent application. This is where the rubber meets the road. A solid application is essential for protecting your intellectual property. PowerPatent offers advanced drafting tools that assist both attorneys and inventors in creating high-quality, legally sound documents. With AI suggestions and auto-formatting, you can focus on the content while the technology handles the details. Now that you have your patent application ready, let's talk about funding. Applying for grants or government funding is a smart move. Many governments offer clean energy grants to support innovation. A well-drafted patent strengthens your funding pitch, making it more likely that you'll secure the financial backing you need. PowerPatent ensures that your filing is not only professional, but also strategically positioned to attract potential funders. Next, explore venture capital and licensing options. Investors and licensees are always on the lookout for well-protected intellectual property. With PowerPatent's tools, you gain insights into similar patents and legal trends, allowing you to negotiate from a position of strength. This knowledge can be a game changer in securing the investment you need to bring your idea to life. Once you've secured financing, monitoring and enforcing your patent becomes critical. You've put in the hard work, and now it's time to protect your investment. PowerPatent helps you track citations and potential infringements with built-in monitoring features. This proactive approach ensures that your intellectual property remains safeguarded as you move forward. At PowerPatent, we specialize in legal tech solutions that simplify the complex world of intellectual property. Our platform is designed to help law firms, inventors, and businesses speed up patent prosecution, improve claim quality, and stay ahead of the curve, all powered by AI. If you're innovating in renewable energy, think of PowerPatent as your partner in protecting, financing, and growing your idea. Don't let paperwork slow down your progress. Embrace the power of AI-driven tools to light the way for your innovation journey.